breathing into this sacred space. We allow ourselves to take the deep dive into the heart, the center of the breath itself, the center of life, love. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here in this moment. With all the vulnerability, the authenticity, the humanity, the divinity, all of it. So as we inhale and we exhale, we remind ourselves that we are safe, that it's okay to come home, that when we come home to the inner stillness, the silence, that the windows fly open, the walls become doors, and the mountains become mindfulness. Inhaling and exhaling, we acknowledge what the silence holds. We're grateful for the power of the practice. And we breathe into the fullness of this moment. Everything part of the practice. No thing is exempt. I am safe in the practice. I am whole and holy in the heart of hearts. I am a unique, unrepeatable expression of the divine. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. And so it is. Namaste.